such a beautiful day out here. Out here. Slow down and there are butterflies everywhere. For chicken, and we'll keep it simple so you can hear every little detail.
Stop! Stop! Hey, stop right there!
Fresh one for you, sir.
Sweet as it gets, right from the field.
It's so red. Tastes good.
See you later, buddy.
Look at you waving. Think fast.
Nice grab. Keep it. I've got plenty. See you next time, little man.